Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode. And actually, today I'm starting up a new series that is how to get good graphics in Unity. I think that is a well asked questions among many YouTubers and among many people. So, yeah, here it is. So, first thing first, okay, first thing first, you should, okay, first thing first, you should be creating a new project or any project. If you have Unity Hub, then click on New, click on New, wait, on New, over here, enter project name, enter location. If you have an organization, then just put it here. Select a Unity version above 2017. I'm using that one, and that one. So it should look something like that. Then create your project. When you created it, you'll get a scene with some props. Then just create a new scene because we won't be using it. So I've already gone and created a new one. So let's get started. So first thing first, just in the game object, just add a small cube. Okay, so we'll have a look on how to create good materials. Add a cube, um, F2 to rename, call it metal. Then add another game object, a sphere, rename it to rock, and add another game object, call it a cube, call it mirror frame. Okay, and go ahead and resize this one. So mirror frame, normally like that. Okay, and increase the size a bit, and Control D to duplicate, and just resize it a little bit inwards like that, and rename it as metal glass, a mirror glass, sorry. Then drag it in mirror frame to make it one, and also don't forget to just drag it a little bit outwards like that. So for now we'll concentrate on that one, and yeah, also just duplicate that one, make sure it's not a prefab or a child of mirror frame like that. Then just rename it as glass, and just do that here. So under material section, okay, create some materials. First one, metal, drag and drop it here in this cube, then also drag and drop it in this one, then create another called rock, okay, called rock, drag and drop it here, then over here another one called mirror glass, drag and drop it over here, and the last one called glass. So we will be having a look on those materials for today, and we'll move on PBR shader graph for the next episode. I do have some assets already imported, but for now let's get a look of that. So first thing we'll get is we should be getting this, so let's modify that one. So first thing first, you are going to enable metallic opaque. Then over here you may change the color of albedo to any what you want. Then over the metallic you can put it to 1 and 1. Okay, then just something to keep in mind is that you should be creating a just create a reflection probe. You'll get a box. Okay, so with that box, click this little bake icon and put it to real time every frame. You may change those two, and that one you can change it of course. So here it is. So that's the metal, and if you want a higher quality of the metal block, you can change the color. As you see it, you can change the color, change the smoothness, try putting it in specular mode if you want to. Okay, but doesn't give a metallic thing, metallic refraction. Okay, let it be metallic and change this to albedo. That will give you better quality. And you may also try and import this plastic rigid body, uh, this plastic texture that you will get along with the PBR that you have enabled, the lightweight render pipeline. Then put the normal map, and as you can see, you get it here. Also, that doesn't change anything for now, so you can just play with that. You can change the color to that one if you want to for now, and I've already created one over here. As you can see, I put it black like that, and that is one of my or the other creation, but it's the same thing. It's basically the same thing. As you can see, we have created a metallic look thing. That is a metallic material. Okay, it does reflects the lights and all that. Now for the rock, go ahead and download a rock texture. So here it is. Then just what you'll do is click on this block over here, this cube, this sphere, and the rock one, what we've created, and the albedo, drag and drop that, and go and what's that? Yeah, and under metallic you can put that one, and a normal map, put that one. As you can see, it gives another way. It gives it a texture. Okay, you can also tint it if you want to. So let me just tint it a cool brown one over here. That looks pretty cool now. So as you can see, it's very cool. And also for some you have that one. Okay, as you can see, but we can also change the way the material is acting on it by changing the normal map value to 2 to 3. I let it to 1, removing this metallic thing here, completely removing it, and decreasing the smoothness completely, and here you are. Okay, this gives a dry thing, a dry material, and if you want it not dry, then I basically recommend you to take one which suits the best. And here you are with something that really gives the impression that it is wet. So now you have it. So let's move to that one, the mirror. The mirror, we should be just getting that one to work. So over here, let it as it is. Just put on that one like that, metallic full, smoothness full, So let it metallic alpha. That just put it complete white, and that's basically all. But one thing, for it to actually reflects the thing, you should be adding a reflection probe to it. Okay, a reflection probe. Let's just put the reflection probe over here, and here it is. So that's the actual reflection probe, and whatever is coming in front of it, it will actually reflects. It will reflect it. As you can see, it does reflect it. Let's just position these um, reflection probe here, and you can enable box projection for a better view of it. As you can see, just push this over here, and
Come get. Come get. Come get.
as you can see, it is reflecting it. As you can see, it's actually okay. So if it was in play mode, it will actually give a cool look on how the object that is in front of it. Okay, so make sure that it is in real time and every frame, so that it actually, you know, it actually, that's much ideal. You can just set it as normal as one, and that one too as one. You may set it, and here it is. Okay, so let's get with the gloss material. So for that, we will have a lot. So first thing first, you don't want it to be shiny. Okay, have we? Okay, you don't want it to be shiny at all. Okay, or else it will look like that, and you don't want that, definitely. So what you'll do is change that to transparent. Okay, change that to transparent, and blending mode alpha. Then here in the albedo part, just choose a color that will be your tint. Okay, let's use a red tint for now. Then drag and drop this alpha. Just move it along as you wish it to be. Okay, as you can see, it gives a very cool way. And if we were to drag and drop this metal frame over here, so that it doesn't completely disappear from the scene, or at least give an impression of that. So, so here it is. Wait, let me just correctly put that here, and here, as you can see, where is the gloss material? Here it is. Wait, the more you put the alpha, the more it won't be opaque, transparent. The more you decrease it, the more it is transparent. Okay, so now let's set a complete black and with here. You need some reflection actually with it. You just want that. So instead of just going and play with that, you can set that to albedo and play with that settings. Let's just put that a bit here and try to play with those settings over here. Okay, so that you get a perfect reflection of the actual thing. You can put it in two-sided mode, so it gives a more better look of what is going on, and I think that looks the best now. So once it's decided, you can now play with the settings and as you can see, it gives it is reflecting, and at the same time is transparent. You can decrease that, and as you can see, it's transparent and is reflecting. That gives a very cool reflection and a very cool gloss. Also, you can put that here if you want. Tinted it, you can tint it and uh, decrease the metallicness of that. And the smoothness is not necessary, but you can still, you know, adjust those settings. But I consider you using those to 1 and decrease that. I think that is the best one. And if you were to just do that like that, and here it is actually reflecting both sides of it. As you can see, it is transparent and is reflecting at the same time. So those were some basic materials. And now let's just enable something. For that, you should be getting post-processing. Okay, so you should enable post-processing. Processing or processing, something like that. I forgot, sorry. So let it just load, let it connect. And here, just type post-processing. Processing, I think. I, I, I don't know how to pronounce that name. Sorry. Something like that. Here it is. Post-processing stack. You should import it or else download it to your project. And as you will see, that will be that will have a huge impact on the graphic itself. So here it is. Import it. I've already downloaded it, so just import it, and let's wait for it to be imported. Also, I will be just changing some settings over here in the lighting tab. Then we'll go to the post-processing stack, and in the next episode we will have a look to PBR shader graph. We will have a look to PBR shader graph and some more things, like maybe I will try to import a map in this scene and try to edit it. We'll have a look at emission. We'll have a look at emission, the PBR shader graph, and some glowy effect. Okay, so these three is for the next episode. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out this series. So that you don't miss out this series. Copying the file by WhatsApp. Okay, so that you don't miss out any episode of what I'm uploading, and surely not um, not missing out the content of the how to get good graphics in Unity. So I think that Unity just crashed, and I will be postponing the post processing for next session and some other thing as well. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, then just leave a like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. Also, sorry. Also, just tell me what to improve. How can I improve as usual? And see you guys in the next episode. Bye.